Today we are heading back to the van, flying from Philadelphia to Cabo San Lucas, and this little guy is a pretty good traveler. We took him on 11 flights before he was 1 year old, but today he is 14 months old and considered a toddler, much more mobile and doesn't like to sit in one place. So we are a little stressed for today's adventure, but to add to that stress, we decided to film the experience from a toddler's point of view. It's gonna be fun.
You've had enough.
Maybe. We'll see. To do this, we partnered with Insta360 with their GO 3 action camera. This little device creates the opportunity to get really unique shots, and it has a bunch of unique different mounts to make it completely hands-free, as well as get really cool shots from a toddler, hopefully. One of the things that I'm gonna be using most for this video is this little magnetic mount that goes just like that. And the idea is to put it behind our shirt, like so, mount it on, and then maybe get unique shots from Wyatt's point of view. So we'll put it on Wyatt today, run him around through the airport, and we'll see what we get. It's gonna be pretty fun. I'll talk a little bit more about the camera later too, but this is gonna be a fun day. Hopefully it's not too stressful. Baha, that's where we're going, buddy.
Baha.
Okay, how we doing?
We're ready to roll.
We a little stressed, or are we okay?
Who's stressed?
We're okay, we're just
All of
rushing.
us?
Is?
No, we're
I'm
doing.
not stressed.
We're doing okay, I think.
Yeah, I'm not stressed at all.
But the whole premise of the video is, will we be stressed by the end of the day because we're flying
yeah.
with a toddler? We'll see. We're doing good.
Hi, baby.
So mom told him, "Oh, that stuff's growing like crazy."
Have enough stuff.
All right, give hugs and kisses. Yes, I've got you.
All right, look, be careful, man.
Alrighty.
All right.
I love you.
Thank you.
Be careful.
Thank you
I
for the
will.
ride.
Yeah.
Thank
All right,
you.
just be careful.
We will.
All right, just be careful, man. Please.
All right.
Because you know what?
I know.
That'd be good, buddy.
We will.
Love you.
guys.
Love
Keep
you.
in touch.
All right. Hey, big boy.
We love you. Are we gonna go to the beach? Yeah.
We are waiting for our flight right now, and I had a chance to play around with this thing, and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty unique. You can tell the camera little body thing that is waterproof is right here, and this is like the charging station, but also your little LED visual monitor screen. So if I turn this on, you see, here's the little preview screen, and I could point this around. So when we were driving to the airport, it was really cool because I was able to put the camera up here and then look at the screen, or have Taylor look at the screen and tell me whether or not my shot is nice, versus like another type of camera that has the LED screen on the back. If you put it up to your mouth, you're not going to be able to see the shot that you have. So I really like that feature, but also there's a lot more capabilities within this. In addition to the screen, it's also a charging station for this little guy. So every time you plug it back in, it starts charging this up to keep it nice and fresh so you don't have to run out of battery. Here are some of the different mounts that we have. So this one connects to the housing. I flipped the wrong way, but this is like a stationary one. If you want to leave the little action camera inside the body, you can attach it to this. You also have a little like hat mount. There's a little clip here, and then camera pops right in. So you could like attach this to your hat if you wanted to, which probably would be a pretty good idea, honestly. Or attach this to maybe your shirt or something, or a backpack. And then the critical one for this video, that magnetic housing that has this little angle adjustment here, which allows you to adjust the pitch, which is good for when he's in the stroller. We're able to adjust the pitch to get a more direct viewing point instead of looking straight up at the ceiling.
What you hiding? Your bus? Where'd you put your bus? Where is it? Yeah, you stuck it all the way back there.
This little guy is a terror right now. He is just going nuts. But thankfully, Insta360 makes our lives more convenient when shooting, not just with the camera itself, but also with the AI technology in the phone app. So what you can do is upload all of your footage or sync it dynamically. You don't have to upload anything directly to the app. And then you could hit this AI feature to make a little video for you on the fly. So that's pretty cool. It makes life a lot easier, especially if you might not be a YouTuber and trying to go super crazy in post-production. You could just quickly whip something up on your phone, put something together, and then share it with your family and friends, which is sweet. You could also change the aspect ratio from landscape to portrait mode if you wanted to.
Where's your bus? Where's your bus?
It's definitely a bit more challenging traveling with a toddler, though, compared to a baby.
Other than the little bit of wrestling in the terminal, everything was going rather smooth.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm gonna get you news.
We got on the plane no problem and got settled in our seats. And we planned this flight around his nap time, which was looking great, until we heard the pilot make an announcement right after boarding was
So we have a
completed.
new update. We might be getting delayed so bad that we're going to miss our flight to Cabo. So we might be booked until tomorrow, or have to wait for our flight tomorrow, which if that's the case, then
Terrible news.
things get really complicated because we have to get a hotel. We don't have a pack and play.
It's also why it's nap time, so I was hoping to give him a bottle during takeoff, and now we don't know when we're taking off, so I don't know if I should hold off on the bottle or just give it to him now before he gets super cranky. Look, there's a
Well, after some back and forth with the customer service rep, we aren't making it to our final destination of Cabo today. We are making it to Dallas at least, and we will need to get a hotel and fly out the next morning. But there's one big problem. All of our necessities are with our luggage, so if we're not able to get our bags tonight, we'll have to go out and buy everything.
On this farm, we harvest corn to feed our animals. Feed corn is made from dried corn kernels. Can you find the tractor? Good job. Where's the animals? Where's the cows? Can you find the cows? Good job.
Although the flight was going pretty well, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. The flight delay with deplaning and getting on another plane completely disrupted Wyatt's nap, so the poor guy barely slept and was really overtired. We tried to pull out all of the tricks, and it's kind of funny how quickly he can go from crying to laughing again, but it's just the way it goes. Anyway, after landing in Dallas, we headed to the AA customer service desk to see if we can get our bags. As expected, we were not able to get them, so it's off with a rental car for a few hours to get what we need for the night.
Well, after a massive flight day interruption,
derailment.
2 customer service centers at American Airlines, we are unable to get our luggage, so we had to rent a car. Now we have to go buy all of our stuff, deodorant, toothpaste, baby supplies at Target. Luckily we have insurance via our Chase Sapphire travel card. Thank God, because this is going to cost us a good amount of money.
Yeah, this is one of those times where we're like, pack as little as you need, and then we're like, shoot, we have nothing for ourselves because we didn't plan. So, I mean, good and bad, I guess, in that regard.
There's one silver lining to this, at least.
We're in a dope-ass car.
We are in an awesome car. We're in the Ford Mach-E EV, so this is an electric vehicle. And we were always talking about how this car is kind of
nice
sweet.
they are.
It's a little tiny, but it's perfect for today to go run errands. We don't have to worry about filling the car up. There's only 2,800 miles on this thing.
200. Oh, 2,000.
This thing's sick. I'm stoked. Pairing
Yes,
failed.
really nice. Here.
We have the cord. All right, so we are off the Target. We need to get our supplies. We're staying at a Hyatt hotel. We used points for that. Thank God we have points. It's just been a bit of a journey. So we're gonna plug in the Target, get our supplies, and then get our little boy to sleep.
You're doing so good, buddy. We're so proud of you.
He's chilling. Already ripped the sock off there. Well, hopefully this is covered. All right, bud. The travel day is over, big boy.
This is a high bed, bud.
This room is ginormous. Good job, buddy. Ooh. You want to go back on? Okay, Mommy's gonna take you. Big boy.
Oh, so sweet. I'm gonna get you.
You did it, big boy.
You had such a long day and you did so good. High five. High five. Where are you going? High fives. High fives for mommy. Okay, leave me hanging.
Well, the travel day is almost over.
Oh, no thank you.
I have one more deliverable, for lack of a better term, task that I need to take care of, and that's returning the rental car to Avis, then taking the shuttle back to the airport hotel. Maybe I'll just walk. I don't know if I can even walk though. All right, it's finally done. What a journey. It's been over a 12-hour day to get to Dallas and get all settled in. Now we have the long layover tonight. Going to Cabo tomorrow. We're done. Time to settle. Now we are just waiting for the crib to arrive. And then we are chillaxing. Little man definitely needs to go to sleep. We need to get some dinner, I feel like. But to summarize today, we had our first flight scheduled. He's in the toilet? I'm over here worried about the Ew, stinky. Stinky.
If you don't hear it for a while, that's where he is now. No thank you.
We were too busy trying to get this vlog wrapped up.
Don't take me away from the toilet, I'm slipping.
To summarize everything, our first flight was at 10:57. We got on the plane, we got deplaned, had to go to customer service to adjust our connection flight because we were gonna miss it. Got on the new plane for the original scheduled flight. So we kept the same flight number, it was just delayed, got a new plane. And then we finally made it to here. We learned we couldn't get our checked bags, which had all of our supplies. So thank God we had the Chase Sapphire Reserve. We were able to get travel insurance, I hope. So now we got a rental car. We drove out to Target, got supplies for tonight and some fresh clothes. So that will be all good tomorrow, even though we don't have our bags. It was a journey, but we did it. Overall thoughts on the camera. From a usability standpoint, I was quite pleased with how it turned out. The battery lasted all day, which was really, really good, since I didn't have to worry about that. And why it's just almost crushing, breaking the camera right now. But I'm excited to see the footage because we got a lot of cool shots and it's so small and discreet. It's really nice. You're not like an annoying vlogger with a giant camera walking around in a location. So for being out in public, it's kind of nice because it's not an obnoxious big thing. All right, are we ready to go to bed? Someone needs a shower first, okay? Adios. We'll see you in Mexico. All right, look. We got your cribby, yay! We got your cribby, yay! We got your cribby. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.